So let's see how to create a Facebook account. We can either create it by going to your app store or play store and searching for Facebook and installing it on your device, or you can go to your desktop browser and type facebook.com and then you can pick it up from there. So once that has installed, we just click on open to open Facebook, log into your account or create a new account. So we're going to be clicking on create a new account to see how to create a new account. So we can also continue with our Instagram, or we can create an account manually. So we're going to create an account manually. So let's get started. So we'll add our first name and our last name. Then we'll set our birthday. Next. Then you can change your gender. You can select male, female, or any option, like more options, like you rather not say your gender. So we're going to select male and click on next. So you add your email address or you sign up with your mobile number. So in this situation, we're going to be signing up with our email address, and when we input our email address, we just click on next. We also want to set our password, and the password must be at least 6 letters or numbers, and it should be something others can't guess. So it's saying we should save in our login details. So yeah, I'll save our login info. We have to agree to Facebook terms and policies. So to use Facebook, you have to agree to that. So we're going to select agree. So a confirmation code is going to be sent to the email. So we're going to go to the email to get that confirmation code. If you didn't get the code, you can always select this option, I didn't get the code. When we insert the code, we click on next. We are all set, so we can go ahead and add our profile picture, or we can skip for now. So let's skip it for now. And welcome to Facebook. Then let's start customizing your experience. This home page, this is where you see stuff that posted by other people. On this icon, you can see the friend request that you sent and your friends list. You can also see videos here. Tap here and go to your name. You can see your profile. So let's add a picture. Let's add a picture. So this is a picture we'll add. We click on save. Add a cover photo here by selecting this icon and uploading a cover photo. Then right here you can click on this button to add to your story. You can edit your profile here. When you click on edit, you can add an avatar. You can create an avatar. You can also change your profile picture from here. You can add your cover photo here from here. Then here in the bio, you can add your bio where we talked about Dean being a virtual assistant. It can be added here. You can also add details about yourself, your current city, your workplace, your education, your hometown, your relationship status. You can also add links. Now be careful what you put out on Facebook. You shouldn't share a lot of information. You shouldn't just, for privacy concerns, you shouldn't just put anything and everything on Facebook. If you're not comfortable with adding all of these things, you don't need to add them. Facebook won't force you to add them. It's just an option. So any option you see, it doesn't mean that you have to add it. Okay, it's not required. It's not required for you to add your current city. But if you want to add it and make your page more professional, you can go ahead and do that. It's not mandatory to add your hometown, your education, or your relationship status. But this is where you can edit all of those things by clicking on add or clicking on edit your about info. So let's go back. So this is our profile. We don't have anything. We don't have any friends. We don't have any photos. We don't have any reels. So in order to create a something, you can just tap on what's on your mind, and right here you can either upload a picture, tag somebody to the picture, or you can just simply upload a text alone. Then right here you can choose how the privacy of what you want to post. You want it to be just your friends, you want it to be the public, you want it to be your a specific friends that you don't want it to show to some specific friends on Facebook. So you can set all the privacy right here, and you can also turn this thing on if you want it to share on your Instagram page as well. So that's pretty it for Facebook. So if you want to see your messages, you can just click on this icon to see your DM. If you also want to see create a Facebook group, you can just click on groups here, and you see a number of groups that you can join, or you click on this plus sign to create a group, to create a post in a group, or to create a group. While if you want to create a page, you can just click on see more and scroll down. You see pages. Click on pages, and then you can click on create a page to create a page. You can also see the Facebook marketplace here in these options as well. When you click on marketplace, you see different items that you want to, if you want to buy, you can search for different items here. While if you want to sell an item, you can just click on sell here and add the photos of the item you want to sell, the description and everything, the location, and then it would be posted for you on Facebook. Okay, so when you create a Facebook account, you can see other features that you can explore as well.